Well, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Jenny. Come on in and we're going to look at our ad because we've got some super hot deals that I want to tell you about, and I know you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in. And as always, please leave a comment and let the video play all the way to the end. Those things are really important for all of us creators on YouTube. So thank you very much for doing that. Now, if you're not a subscriber yet, well, why waste any more time? Look below, hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our daily deals. Do it now so you don't forget. Alright everybody, Dollar General new ad. We had a little preview with our early activation video, but a lot of people didn't see that yet and they're skipping it, so to speak, because I guess they think since it's early activation, it's still not a good video. But it always is, because it's just giving you a heads up about what is coming. And what came was Coke products, guys. And it came with a double dip, because we've got two coupons that will work together. One is for $2 when you spend $10 on Sprite products, and that's a store coupon, by the way. So you can stack a manufactured coupon with that if you're new to couponing Dollar General and you don't know this yet. If it is a store coupon, you can stack it with a manufactured coupon. But there's also other rules, and you'll learn those as we go. So we've got, instead of $2 off this transaction, we've got $4 off this transaction. And that's going to give you 3 for $12 if you purchase 3 of the Sprite 12 packs. Now on Saturday, you could do 3 Sprite and 3 Coke and save $9 on that $32 transaction. It's still an awesome deal. Now we've got the Lay's Cheetos 2 for $8 and the Doritos 2 for $7 with $1 off on the Doritos. Now I think we also have, I thought I seen them, yes I did, the 2 for $6 on the Lay's. And why is this important? Well, it's important because our Pepsi Lay's coupon is back, and all you got to do is pick up a 2-liter Crush and a couple of bags of chips to use that coupon. And that's going to be your hottest deal of the day and your cheapest way. Okay? Unless you are going to be doing massive Mountain Dew. And we'll show you that too. We also have the 4 for $8 General Mills products. We've got 2 different dollar coupons for that will go with that, making that 4 for $6. We've got our usual 5 off of 30 Gain products, and it looks like we've got a $3 off a big product. But the hotter than that is the $2 off the $5.50 per sale products and the $1.50 off the $4 sale price Arm & Hammer. So yep, that's still really good. And also, we have the instant savings still rolling on the Scott. I like that it lasts that long, guys, because sometimes it will give you more of an opportunity to stock up, and that way when the instant savings isn't there, you've already stocked up and you won't have to do the deal again until it rolls back around. So it looks like we have a $1 off on the bath tissue to go with that, and not one for your paper towels. So 4 off of 15 is going to leave you $11 out of pocket for 3 of these Scott products. We've got some good deals that there's no coupons needed, like this Body Armor drinks, 3 for $3. That's a good deal. The Gatorade, that is usually $1.79, I do believe, 3 for $4. That's a good deal. No coupons needed. And then we've got the Pure Leaf tea 2 for $5, and there is a $3 off when you spend $10. So 4 of these will be $7. That's a good deal. And then, of course, we've got a couple of Nabisco things, and we've got a $3 off on that. We've got 2 for $8 on the vanilla wafers and the Nutter Butters. And, of course, you know, banana pudding time is here. And then we've got 2 for $7 on the Ritz crackers and the regular saltine crackers. Now, a little tip, if you have an older operating system store around you, the 2 for $8 on the vanilla wafers and the Nutter Butter, those will glitch, which means they'll work a little bit differently than normal, but the $3 off of 9 will attach to that and give you those things 2 for $5. Now, in your newer operating system stores, that doesn't happen. So what you could do, you could pick up another dollar item, like a dollar pack of Oreo cookies. You would be at 9, $3 would be coming off, and you'd be getting 2 for $6. Or if you really wanted to splurge, you could pick up the 2 crackers and the 2 cookies. You'd be at 15, getting 3 off, and that means you'd be getting 4 for $12. So if you need snacks for your kids, there you go. If you're camping out, you got a coupon for free marshmallows when you purchase the Hershey's candy and the Minute or Honey Maid graham crackers. We've got this right here, Tyson fries. There's supposed to be an urn that's working on this. However, I did the urn on Saturday for the chicken bites, Tyson chicken bites, and I haven't gotten it yet, so I don't think that one is working. We also have $1.25 mac and cheese. And like I said, if you need snacks because you're going camping, or you just, you know, need bribery for chores around the house, since it is summertime, you could buy 3 and get 1 free on these fun snacks. We've got the Save 4 on the soft soap, and the Save 3 on the 2 Garnier and the Whole Blends shampoo conditioners. And we've got a store coupon for 2 off of 8 on Suave products. And we have a $1 manufacturing coupon. So that's a total of 3 on 8. And then, of course, we've got $3 off on 2 Colgate. And that $7 coupon on 3 is still out there, guys. That is a huge savings. Okay, we've got Cascade. We have a $2 off on the Cascade. We got 75 cents on the Palmolive. We've got a $2 off on the large $8 Snuggle. We got 50 cents off on the True Living bleach products. And our Purina Kitten Chow is on sale for $6.30. And the litter is on sale for $12.50. Now again, guys, this is just the best, you know, the deals that I feel that are the best deals. We got that Haagen-Dazs for $4. We had urns for this. Need to check and see if those urns are still active. You've got 2 for $9 on a digital coupon for these Cascades that are normally $4.75. You got a $2 off on some Mr. Clean. And then, of course, $2 off on Suavitel. Now, on this $2 off on this for sale, I'm assuming it's the same $2 coupon working on both sizes of for sale. We'll check that out and see. And then, of course, we have their $2 off on our Febreze. And digital coupons for the off. Still in play, guys. So that's the ad as it is. But yeah, not done yet. Let's look at our deal I got for you. We already talked about the Sprite deal. This is your next version of your daily deal. We doubling up, guys. So you're going to get more than one daily deal. You're going to get 2 daily deals. So don't miss a video. This one is your per sale for $5.50. You got a $2 off. Your Arm & Hammer for $4. You got a $1.50 off. And Dawn Dish for $4.85. Because that $2 off is working on the $4.85 Dawn Squeeze. $14.35. You got $5.50 coming off, leaving you $8.85 out of pocket. That's a winner chicken dinner, because that means you're buying the Arm & Hammer and the Dawn Dish and getting the per sale free. So, awesome deal. Now, 5 off 25 for Saturday. You're going to pick up 3 Sprite 12 packs. You're going to pick up the per sale, the Arm & Hammer, and the Dawn Dish. You're at $30.35. You're getting $14.50 out off with an out-of-pocket of $16.85. Winner chicken dinner all day long. So blessings, and I'll talk to you again real soon, because we got, well, another day, another deal.